Jandial, who's braved a lot of road blockades last evening to arrive in Srinagar in time, is standing by this morning. Ajay, there's a lot more security obviously in Srinagar compared to other parts of the country. So I don't know how many people you'll be able to speak to, but what's the pulse on the ground? What's happening? Show us around.
Well, see, Rishabh, I am here in the One Hall School, and what we have seen that adequate security measures are put in place here for the poll process. And Omar Abdullah, Farooq Abdullah, they are expected to reach here in next few minutes for to cast their vote. And it's a high-profile polling station, we can say. If we talk about the Srinagar, situation definitely is peaceful, and adequate security measures are put in place. And if you see that in last last elections, a few elections, what we have seen that most of the time National Conference and the PDP, they won the seats, Srinagar or Anantnag are the North Kashmir seats. But now this competition is going to be interesting as new political parties which emerged in last few years. They basically are also having a very good hold, because if we talk about the Ashraf Mir, who's the Apni party candidate from Srinagar Central seat, he was basically minister in the Jammu Kashmir Assembly, and this time he was given a ticket from the Apni party. BJP is also supporting him. A National Conference, instead of Abdullah family, they have given a ticket this time to Aga Rahullah, who's a former minister of Jammu and Kashmir. And if we talk about the PDP, Wahid Para, he's in the competition. So a triangular fight is expected here this time on Srinagar seat. But definitely voter turnout is very important, because last time the voter turnout was only 14%. So that is a major thing what can change the situation. You could see that voters continuously coming to cast their vote, and I will try to speak to him. Sir, what would you like to say, for what you are going to vote for?
We have, after 5 years, we are voting. So we will vote for, we will basically vote for somebody who will basically represent us in the parliament.
370 हटने के बाद पहला चुनाव है, कैसे आप इसे देख रहे हैं? लगता है जो बदलाव हुए हैं, डेवलपमेंट हुई है, या लगता है कि कश्मीर वैसा ही?
देखिए, अभी मतलब जो हम कह सकते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत हालात ठीक है, मतलब सामान्य हालात है, बाकी डेवलपमेंट उतना कुछ दिखा नहीं है हमें।
मुद्दे क्या रहेंगे इस बार चुनाव?
मुद्दे इस वक्त चुनाव में क्या है, यही डिग्निटी वापस आनी चाहिए. Mostly that good people should represent us in the parliament.
Thank you. Ma'am, would you like to say something?
Sorry, thank you.
वोट डालने जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी.
Thank you. So you can see, Rishabh, people, those who are those who have just cast their vote, they are coming out and showing that they have definitely chosen their right, and they have reached here early in the morning, even though we have seen that the temperature is not that good, because it was raining here in the Jammu and Kashmir for last 2 days. But today weather have improved, and we are expecting that. वोट डाल दिया?
हाँ, मैंने डाल दिया.
कैसा लग रहा है वोट डालने के बाद?
अच्छा लगा.
क्या मुद्दे क्या हैं आपके जिसको लेकर आपने वोट डाला है?
हमारी मुद्दे, हमारी मतलब जो मतलब जो जरूरी है वो मतलब ये बड़ा काम. भाई बेटा के पढ़ घर में बैठा, बाहर में पढ़ती हो मेरा बेटा. मगर
लगता है जो पुराने सियासी दल थे जो यहाँ पे पहले जीते थे, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया या क्या?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं किया. हमने कुछ नहीं देखा था. हम वही बोल रही हूँ. हम वो डाला बार मगर कुछ नहीं देखा.
So, people are saying that they have, given vote to the political parties, and they have chosen the member parliament, but nothing has happened as far as their own issues are concerned. They are saying that their kids, they are well qualified, but they are not having jobs. So, we have to see, because Rishabh, in Srinagar seat, most of the time, National Conference or the PDP, they want this seat, and now this time competition has to be seen that where it is going, because as I told you, that two political party which emerged here in Jammu Kashmir, Ghulam Nabi Azad's party and Altaf Bukhari's party, they are also going to play a very crucial role as far as the politics of Jammu and Kashmir is concerned.
How's it looking?
Right after this parliament election,
Ajay,
assembly election will take place.
Yeah, because yes, the assembly election, ladies and gentlemen, not been announced. Okay, so but we are expecting them to be announced maybe sometime this year itself. But how is it looking, Ajay, because to the best of my memory, Srinagar last time saw one of the, if not the lowest voter turnout in the entire country. Less than, 12-13% voter turnout. Are we seeing more people? We've got visuals of other places in the more rural areas, Badgaon and others, where there are long lines of people out there to vote. Is the atmosphere at least a bit more, let me say, less scary?
Yes, Rishabh, if you talk about the rural areas, what we have seen that long queues are seen over there. That indicates that, yes, people want to vote. People want to basically, choose a favorite candidate who can at least give something, do something for their areas. As far as the parliament election is concerned, as I just spoke to a female, she says that we are, voting for many years, but our kids are still here. So who are responsible? Because those who were holding the chairs from the Srinagar constituency, the Jammu and Kashmir, they are responsible. We spoke to some other people. They say that yes, we are voting here in the Jammu and Kashmir. We have seen some change as far as the development is concerned, but definitely we also need dignity. Dignity means they are talking about the statehood, because we have seen that statehood was, the statehood is also expected to be announced, because we have seen Prime Minister and the Home Minister also says that after some time we are going to announce the statehood for the Jammu and Kashmir. So that has to be seen that where it goes, but definitely this election will definitely prove that.
Okay, just so happy. I think that's a tough thumper right there. Okay.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.